Hello, so tonight we are working on problems 22 through 24. For this first one, remember that we're going to be using that subtraction property. So that means that we'll say log base 7 of x over x plus 4 equals 2. Now we can snail, and we'll have 7 squared equals x over x plus 4. We're going to multiply that x plus 4 over, so we'll have 49x plus 196 equals x. We'll subtract the 49x over, and we'll have 196 equals negative 48x. And the last step would be to divide by the negative 48, and we'll have x equals 196 48, and then just put a negative in there. And that'll be your answer. For problem 23, remember that we're going to be using u substitution. So we'll say u equals e of x. So 7u squared plus 40u minus 12 equals 0. When you factor this, you'll have 7u minus 2 and u plus 6 equals 0. So u will either equal 2/7 or negative 6. Now we're going to say that 2/7 equals e of x and negative 6 equals e of x. For this first one, we'll do our snail, and we'll say the natural log of 2/7 equals x. For our second one, we would say, well, can e of x ever equal a negative number? And we say no, so that means that this is an extraneous solution, and so we only have one answer. For problem 24, we want to get this by itself, so we'll subtract 4, and we'll have 2 to the 3x minus 1 equals 6. Now we can do our log snail, and we'll have log base 2 of 6 equals 3x minus 1. Add our 1, divide by 3, x equals log base 2 of 6 plus 1 over 3. If you have any questions on tonight's homework, please reach out. Otherwise, have a good night, and we'll see you on Tuesday.